I made a deal with my kids that if they can get through the summer without watching any garbage TV, then I would build them a go-kart. We laid out the initial design on the driveway. Just needed to make sure that the overall dimensions made sense. These kids are growing super fast, and I'm going to want to be able to ride this thing too. I want it to be lightweight, and I'd like to avoid any welding if possible, so I'll make the frame out of cardboard tubes, which will be covered in fiberglass. To join the corners, I glued a few pieces of foam together and attached these plastic caps that came with the tubes. Then I just used those caps as a guide with my foam cutter. The end result should be these little corner connector pieces. And again, these will all be covered in fiberglass. I'm going to use the wheels from this old wagon, which we got from one of my son's school friends. These are air-filled, which is key, because this thing's not going to have any suspension. The back of the frame will need to be a little bit stronger, so we added a tube here. This will also give us a nice flat base behind the seat, which we'll use for pillow bearings and a motor mount. For the steering, I'm going to use another tube with holes in the top and bottom on each side. Then I'll make some kind of a spindle out of these brackets. I'm actually not super sure how this is going to work. I've been cruising Facebook Marketplace looking for seats. This one's clearly too big, so we'll go with a less comfortable option. Maybe I'll try to put some springs on the bottom like this. I'll try not to do any welding, but we're definitely going to have to cut some metal. Make sure you use one of these. For the motor, I'm going to use this model airplane starter that my dad got used about 40 years ago. And for steering, I'm going to try to use these Nintendo Switch controllers. Seriously, I'll embed them in this foam steering wheel. Hold my beer.